Hi everyone, and welcome to my first YouTube video in actually quite some time. I think it's been well over a year since I released my 3 videos concerning my research topics and the sustainability of the construction industry and the concrete industry. And the reason I've been absent for such a long time is that I've been focused on writing my PhD thesis since last September until this September. And the good news is that I finally managed to complete it. I finally managed to write it. And I submitted it to my supervising committee, which is hopefully right now reading it. And in the meantime, while I'm waiting for their feedback and comments and reviews, I realized I will have much more available time to do more of the things I love. And one of the things that I was really interested in and that I really want to do is produce more YouTube content and more interesting videos like the ones last year. So this finally gives me an opportunity to do it. So today I just want to lay out my plan for my new agenda and what I'll try to do and what kind of content I'll try to produce. And there will be much more information in the description of the video. Well, the first thing I want to do is I want to record podcasts, and I think I'll be releasing the first one actually very soon, hopefully next week. And I realized that I have various interests, and these interests have led me to know many different people from different areas of life who are experts in their own respective fields. And I love listening to them talk about their work, and I love to raise questions about their work and to listen to their answers. And so I thought, well, a podcast offers, a great platform for doing this and for allowing them to present their work in detail. So I'll try to make a long format podcast. Hopefully it'll be interesting for people to listen, and we'll see how it goes. I already have people planned for the podcast. One is already recorded. I'm in the process of production, and I'll release it very soon. So this is one thing. The other are lectures and presentations. This is actually just a continuation of what I did last year with those 3 videos about concrete, and I'll continue to do it. I already have some presentations which I held in the meantime, and I'll just adapt them to be better suited for YouTube, and then I'll post them online, and others as they come up in the future. Then research. Here I have several ideas. The first thing is, which I definitely want to do once I have my final version of my PhD, I want to record an audio book of it. And so just with the figures and tables given on screen, but I'll be reading everything from the text, and this is interesting for me. And I'll think of ideas such as let's say journal club, where I would take interesting papers from my research field and read them and comment on them, and then you can also comment on the video, and we can have an interesting discussion, whoever's interested. So this is kind of the idea behind this research. And finally, design of concrete structures. This is a bit more specific. What I actually want to do here is I want to take the exams that we have on university courses here in which I participate and solve them in real time. So I'll have a drawing board, and on it I'll try to do the assignments in real time and comment on them and time them, how much time is necessary and what to do where and so on. And so it depends for how many courses I can do this. I still have some, legal issues to look into. I have permission for several of them, and I'll start working on it very soon. What I haven't decided yet is, will it be in Serbian or English? I'm leaning toward English, but we'll see about this still. And this is I think something will be most interesting actually to the audience, which will probably be composed of our university's students. And so you'll see this coming out also very soon, maybe not until the next exam is up, but hopefully soon. And that's basically it. I wanted to keep it short here, and you'll have more text in the description of the video. I'll be starting a Patreon account for anyone who's interested in supporting. I'll try to be more present on all the networks such as Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, and so we can communicate on any of these platforms. And I hope to see you soon.